What's up, everyone? Thank you very much for joining. This is just going to be a quick introduction for my Solana Cypherpunk entry. I launched my NFT collection start of 2022 to integrate with my cannabis genetics brand, offering benefits towards holders. Private use is now legal in South Africa, and I would like to launch a true private harvest share method club that's integrated with blockchain. It's grower-led, member-powered, blockchain secured. So I'll be using Solana to track membership contributions as well as track the growing process and do allocation of the harvest share. So I've been working on an airdrop platform. This is just a basic site at the moment. This will have the grower dashboard as well as members info. But at the moment, it's just something it checks for existing NFTs and you can secure an allocation of my airdrop. I'm a little bit over a minute, but this is like take 10 of this video. It was a little bit jumpy, but I think I got everything in. Shout out for watching.